Welcome to this second video on how to tie a bow tie, in particular a bow tie from Lego bricks. In the last video we did the very fast, I don't have time for this kind of demonstration. In this one we're going to take it a bit slower. As you can see, I already have the strap tied on, and I think this is the most essential part, is that contrary to the classic way of tying normal bow ties where on a self-tie you try and do the knot, and the knot is also part of the strap. In the case of Lego bow ties, and in particular on bow tie blue bow ties that you purchase, you put the strap on first and then you strap on the bow tie. And in order to help you out, you can also keep your thumb as a guidance next to the central point, and then you take the strap and keep it fixed with one of the fingers and you just snap it on, and that's kind of it. You can adjust it a bit, bend the wings if that's kind of your thing, but otherwise that's all you have to do. It also makes it very easy to strap on other bow ties and to switch them during an event, or when people don't see you. You can just switch with other types of bow ties depending on the session or the message that you're trying to send. And with that, we have finished our second video of how to tie a Lego bow tie. I'll see you soon.